Still on court matters, the mother of Augusta Onuwachukwugbe, allegedly murdered by her boyfriend Benjamin, also known as Killer Boy, in 2023, told a Lagos High Court sitting in Igboshere about repeated episodes of violence against her daughter. She says the defendant had earlier confessed to killing Augusta by mistake before fleeing, but she believes the murder was premeditated. Kemi Foladiyomo reports.
56-year-old Cordelia Onuwachukwugbe, the second prosecution witness, told Justice Ibironke Harrison that she accepted the defendant, popularly called Killer Boy, and even took him as a son the moment her love-struck daughter Augusta brought him home on December 8, 2021. The witness recounted how in November 2022, while the couple was on vacation abroad, she learned that he had beaten Augusta up and smashed her phone. Upon their return, she says, Killer Boy apologized over the incident and promised never to do such again. According to Augusta's mom, her daughter said she would give him a second chance. In July 2023, the witness says the defendant called her to accuse the deceased of planning to cheat on him. Upon further inquiries, she says her daughter told her that he had taken over her Instagram account while threatening to deal with her and that she wanted to end the relationship. She says she intervened and he returned control of the account to her. A few days later, after calling her number without a response, which she found unusual, and heading to his house at Ajah, she found Augusta's car parked with the key on the bonnet and her daughter murdered. The mother, still in anguish over her loss, says she would later see his posts online where he confessed to stabbing Augusta to death mistakenly and saying he would turn himself in. She says instead, Killer Boy went into hiding and kept posting on social media about how toxic his relationship with Augusta had been. She says with the help of her lawyer, Femi Falano, SAN, in her quest for justice, the defendant, who had been declared wanted by the Nigerian police, was arrested in Sierra Leone in November 2023, but that following a jailbreak where he was detained, he escaped and was eventually rearrested in Qatar and extradited to Nigeria in 2025. Augusta, the second child of her single mother, was a 400-level student studying medical laboratory sciences at the Lead City University, Ibadan, Oyo State, and was an online influencer who would have been 24 years old this year. After the hearing, journalists kept watch to capture the defendant, said to be a gambler, as he was escorted to the van of the Nigeria Correctional Service, but warders from the Kirikiri facility shielded him. Further hearing is fixed for April the 22nd. Kemi Foladiyomo, TVC News, Lagos.